Nokia 6, 2018, has now been launched in the US, following its launch in India. Like other new Nokia-branded smartphones, the Nokia 6, 2018, was announced as a part of the Android One program at MWC 2018, after its China launch earlier this year. Now, Nokia licensee HMD Global has brought the Nokia 6 successor to the US, and the phone is reportedly available via online sales. The key features of the smartphone include a VoLTE camera, Snapdragon 630 processor, and Android Oreo. As per an Android Central report, the Nokia 6, 2018, went up for sale in the US priced at $269.99, roughly $17,700. Interested buyers can purchase the smartphone via Amazon and Walmart. Notably, as of now, the smartphone's listed as currently unavailable or out of stock in the above-mentioned stores. However, you can choose to opt for alerts to know when the Nokia 6, 2018, will be back in stock. The Nokia 6, 2018, is also available in the UK via Carphone Warehouse at a starting price of £229 sterling, roughly $21,500. In India, the Nokia 6, 2018, starts at $16,999, best buy price, for the 3GB RAM, 32GB storage variant. The 4GB RAM, 64GB storage variant can be expected to make its way to the country in the coming months. The Nokia 6, 2018, is a dual SIM, Nano, smartphone. It runs Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box and is part of the Android One program. The handset sports a 5.5-inch Full HD, 1080x1920, IPS LCD display with an aspect ratio of 16:9 and Gorilla Glass for protection against scratches. The Nokia 6, 2018, is powered by the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 SoC paired with 3GB or 4GB of RAM. In terms of optics, the Nokia 6, 2018, is equipped with a single 16-megapixel rear camera with ZEISS optics, a dual-tone LED flash, an f/2.0 aperture and 1 micron pixels. On the front, the smartphone features an 8-megapixel fixed focus sensor with 1.12 micron pixels and an f/2.0 aperture. The Nokia 6, 2018, has 3 2GB or 6 4GB of inbuilt storage, which can be expanded via a microSD card, up to 128GB. Connectivity options in the smartphone are 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth V5.0, FM radio, GPS/AGPS, USB Type-C, V2.0, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. It has a single speaker and supports Nokia's spatial audio technology with 2 microphones. The smartphone is powered by a 3000 mAh battery, which the company claims can deliver up to 16 hours of talk time and 507 hours of standby time. It measures 148.8 x 75.8 x 8.15 mm and weighs 172 grams.